And welcome back to another installment of Monster Mania, Ghouls and Aliens. Up next is the Atlantis reissue of the Monster Glow kits. Now this was a special issue that was provided by Atlantis Models, and these are from the Frankenstein and the Dracula kit. And these are fantastic as they do glow in the dark. And you can see they glow very well, much better than how they glowed back in the 60s with the Aurora glow kits. But these are fantastic. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at Frankie first. And Frankenstein, this represents the from the original molds from Aurora, and nothing has changed here. But we do get some very cool glowy hands and his head and his boots. Let's get a closer look indeed, even more. And you can see here, the head is in halves, just like it was back in the day with the Aurora kits. The hands are very detailed there. And a couple of boxes. I think we received I'm not sure what that is, maybe a necklace. And his boots. Turn over, we'll look at the other side of the hands. Let's bring over Dracula. And here's Dracula. We do get the two halves of his head, his hands, and these bats. These bats are very rare, I'm told, along with the tarantula and some glowing hair and stuff. So, glowing grass, I believe. Not hair, but grass. Let's get a closer look. And there you go. Just like the original issues from Aurora, this is Dracula, very rare indeed. And there's his hands. And come over here, we'll look at the bats a little bit closer. Just to have these bats alone is very cool. Add these to your current reissues from Polar Lights or Mobius when they came out with Dracula and the Mummy and Frankenstein kits. And thanks for joining me for another Monster Mania Ghoul and Aliens segment. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Stand by for another Monster Ghoul review.